All right, here we are in the same project. I was going to say another project. It's the same project. We've looked at this one before. Thought we'd take another view. Take a look at how things are going. Here, let me shut the door. Just realized the air conditioning is on. Don't want to waste that. Nice trash pile's been cleaned up. Everything's got the nice two-tone cut in very nicely. Down here, take a look at the kitchen area. Paint job is getting cut in very nicely. All right. Lots of paint, lots of debris. There's always lots of materials involved. You won't realize. Nice little pile of outlets, changing out all the outlets to white. Got all the trim painted white. It's looking good. A lot of spare parts involved in these kind of jobs. The trim looks good in here. Paint job looks all nice and cut in. Well done. Bathroom's looking good. Plumbing's all ready to go. At the bedroom. Looks wonderful. Take a look at this master. Lots of paper. Look at all that. All the windows. Go through and clean them all. Nice two-tone cut in. In a nice big room. Looks nice. Yeah. The master bath. Down here. Looks good. Trim work all looks nice. Closets look fantastic. Is there a light in here yet? Closets look fantastic. All right, so that was it. Quick tour of how things are coming along. Don't forget to look me up if you need some help with your project. If you want to sell your project, thevalhallaventures.com, reiguideservice.com, REIGUIDESERVAIC.com. And be blessed, bless others. Have a fantastic day. We'll get back with you soon on a new project. If I can figure out how to start my camera.